Hi guys, in today's video, I am showing you how to change profile name on Roblox. The process is simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is open your Roblox application. Once it will be open, take a look on the bottom right. You can see more icon, just tap on it. And in this setting, you can see the option profile. Simply tap on it and tap on this option, edit profile. On the first number, you can see the option display name. And here is the profile name of my Roblox account. If I want to change, then I need to tap on this pencil icon. And here you can see I can change my profile name. But remember one thing, if you want to write a new name for Roblox, then Roblox can check the availability of that name. And if your name will be available on Roblox, then you can set it. After writing, the last thing is tap on this option set. Then your profile name on Roblox will be changed successfully. And it was the primary way by which you can change profile name on Roblox.